So for the first dressing, we would need canapes, one bowl or one can of baked beans, 3 to 4 slices of grated garlic, one bowl of onions and some coriander for garnishing. So for the second dressing, we would need canapes and 4 hard-boiled eggs, one bowl of onions and some coriander for garnishing. So first we will start to grate the eggs. You have to grate the eggs really nicely. It's okay if they're breaking because they will. You have to grate them with the yolk. So now that we have grated the eggs, we will put a pinch of salt. Please don't put a lot of salt. This much is fine. We'll put a pinch of salt. And we will also put a pinch of black pepper. Little bit of black pepper. This much. And we're going to mix it with this spoon. Now we will start filling up the canapes with the dressing we've made. Fill it up to the top like this. So now, as we've filled all the canapes, we're just gonna top them off with some sweet onion sauce. I've already done for the first 3. Just 1 drop for each canopy. And we're gonna garnish them off with some coriander. Second dressing, we'll first let the pan heat on high flame. We have put a little bit of oil in the pan. Now you have to put the garlic pieces in the pan with the oil and then stir it a bit. Now we've put all the onions in it. Wait for the onions to get a little brown and pinkish, and then wait for the next step. Now, as you can see, our garlic and our onions have started to get brown, so we'll put the baked beans now. We are putting half a cup of the baked beans. Please take some adult supervision for this. Now you put some black pepper into the cooking pan. Put the pizza pasta seasoning, and now we are putting a drop of soya sauce to add the flavor. To top it all off, we are putting some green chili sauce on medium flame. So as our dressing is ready, we'll start filling the canapes. While making, we had added some cheese to make it more yummy. So to garnish this, we're going to put a little bit of cheese on top of each canopy. Just a little bit to make it more yummy-licious. And 1 piece of coriander on each canopy to make it look nicer and professional. Thank you for watching Yum It Up. Hope you liked our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you get notified when we post a video. Bye.